Today we are going to walk through how to build a dashboard in Project Insight. To go to the dashboard home, we'll go to the main menu drop-down on the top left and choose our second option called Dashboard. If you have dashboards already saved or shared to you, similar to our reporting feature, there will be the name of those dashboards at a flyout menu on the right. To go into a dashboard, you'll click on that name, or if you don't have a dashboard already built in the system, you can click on the name Dashboard to start building your first one. As you can see, this dashboard is built specifically for a department to see their reporting information and their reports and charts listed out, whether it's in a list view or in a Gantt visual display here. As you can see, you can expand out the tiles similar to the summary tasks in your task list. A dashboard is essentially a collection of reports contained within different tiles on a dashboard, all contained in one screen. And the layout of these report tiles can be updated here in the dashboard options on the top right. The dashboard options reflect how these tiles can lay out with each other, whether they're in different columns, 3 different columns with this one column in the top, different columns in the middle. And you can see you can set this up in different ways, whether depending on what kind of chart that you're showing. Once you set up the report tiles how you like, then you may also want to set up the different charting and reporting options from these options that you see here. In the charts, you'll see that there's quite a few different out-of-the-box charts available, and there's also up to 8 reports that you can include from your saved reports in your system. There's also up to 8 web pages that you can include in, which can be used as any link from any website. The reports, as you can see, you can have up to 8 on one dashboard. If you'd like to include a new report, go ahead and add a new report on there, clicking on the number, and then you'll be able to select a new report from your saved system. If I go in here to select a new report, you can see it's going to give me the different options in here. These are all of the saved reports that I have in my workspace, whether they're saved by me or shared to me by someone else. If I look down in here, you can see I've got quite a few different reports available to me. I can also include reports that are just charts. So that's another option if you'd like to look at it from that perspective. I'm going to go ahead and add a task report on here, current and overdue tasks by project and department. You can also say what the report height is. Sometimes that's helpful to see once you've actually added it in there, added the report in there. This is a smaller list of reports, so I might be able to actually make this a little bit shorter. Up here in the tile settings, each tile has its own gear setting to let me know how tall I want it. This one I might make it around 300 pixels. You can see that shrinks the report height here, and some of it is a little plug and play to set up the height differences to give it exactly what you want. 300 is a little bit shorter as opposed to maybe 500, which gives me a little bit more breathing room in case, especially if I want to expand out the results by default. Once you've set up the report, the reports that you're wanting and the charts that you're wanting, you'll want to then save the dashboard. Once you save the dashboard, it will reload the page and let you see the name of the report in here. Once you save the dashboard and reload the page, it will say the name of the report in the header here. Hit Save Dashboard. When you're saving the dashboard, you want to make sure that you're not overriding and making a new one. So make sure you hit Save as Newer Dashboard if you're not wanting to override it, or if you do want to override it, you'll leave this unchecked. Including the dashboard menu, that will let you see this dashboard in the flyout menu that we saw in the beginning. And then System Default Dashboard means that when you save that dashboard, it will be the automatic dashboard that you see when you click on the dashboard home here. So make sure to hit save whenever you make any changes. Think of this just like a report. And then you can also share the dashboard out to users, departments, companies, or groups if you have that add-on turned on. Think of it just like a report. When you hit save and share it out to the individuals that you want to see it, they will then see that dashboard up here in the flyout menu. This has been an overview of using dashboards in Project Insight, a great way to share a collection of reports or charts all on one page.